Hello everyone and welcome to jgcancook. So it's Halloween time. So here I am up with some Halloween special food hacks. So without any further ado, let's get into this video. So the first food hack is ghost burger pizza. For this recipe, we will need a burger bun. We will divide the burger bun into half and then further divide it into half. Now I'm going to apply pizza sauce on one half of the burger bun. I'm going to place some onions. You can add any other vegetable you want. Add some grated cheese. Now I'm going to sprinkle some oregano and chili flakes. You can also add some salt. I'm avoiding it because my oregano already has salt. We'll apply some more pizza sauce on the other side, place it on the top, and again going to apply some pizza sauce on the top. After applying the pizza sauce, we will keep the burger aside for a while. Then moving on to the next step, I will be needing a cheese slice. So here I am using a mule cheese slice. So from this slice we are going to make a ghost-like figure. So here I am making the ghost with the help of a knife. It's somewhat like a Snapchat filter. You can easily make it like this. Now finishing it with the knife. And it's almost done. Now again I will take the pizza burger bun which I am making and will place this cheese on the top. Now to represent the eyes, I am using black pepper. I will place 2 black peppers on the cheese and it's ready. Moving on to the next step, take a pan and apply some butter. Let it heat on low-medium flame. After then add the cheeseburger pizza, cover it and let it cook for 8 to 9 minutes. After 8 to 9 minutes, it is ready. So the ghost burger pizza is ready. Now let's move on to the next hack. So the next hack is mummified garlic bread. For this recipe we will be needing a bread. I will cut the corners of the bread, then divide it into half. So these are the 2 halves. Then take a pan and add some butter. Add some garlic powder or you can use fresh garlic, some oregano and some chili flakes. Then add the bread and let it cook for 2 minutes from one side. When it's cooked from one side, take out the bread and repeat the same step for the other side of the bread. Add some butter, some garlic powder, oregano and chili flake. Now place the bread and cook it from the uncooked side. After 2 minutes it is cooked, take it out in a plate. For the next step, we will be needing cheese slice. We will take a knife and cut the cheese slice into thin lines. After doing so, we will take the bread which we have cooked and place the slices which we have cut on the bread like a mummy. You can place the slices as you want. Now for making the eyes, we will be using inner circles of the onions and black peppers. We will place 2 inner circles on the top and then we will add black pepper. Now it's time to cook the garlic bread. We will take a pan and spread some butter. We will cook it on low-medium flame. After that, we will add the garlic bread and cover it for 5 minutes. So after 5 to 10 minutes, it's ready. Take it out and mummified garlic bread is ready. So moving on to the last and the final hack, that is bloody fingers. So for this recipe we will be needing 2 breads. I'm going to cut the corners of the bread and then divide each bread into 5 stripes. Make pair of 2 stripes. Moving on to the next step, take a boiled potato, mash it with hands. After mashing it properly, add some salt, some chili flakes, some chaat masala and mix it properly. Now taking the stripes, we will add the potato that we have prepared on only one stripe of the bread. After adding it, we will place the other stripe on the top and label it. Now we will take a pan, add some butter on low-medium flame, spread it evenly. Now start adding the stripes. Cook it from all 4 sides. It will take approx 5 to 6 minutes. We don't need to overcook it. We will cook it till only golden brownish color. After it is cooked from all the sides, take it out in a plate. Now it's time for the plating. We will take a plate, add the stripes. So these I have made to represent the fingers. Now I will use the soaked almonds for making the nails. I have soaked the almonds for 2 hours and then peeled the cover. Adding the sauce on the tip, I am going to place the soaked almonds which I have split it from the center. Then I am going to add lots of ketchup. You can decorate as you want. For the final step, I am going to press the tip of the fingers so it exactly looks like finger. And the bloody fingers are ready. So guys, do tell me in the comment section that you like the recipe or not, and follow me on Instagram, that is jgcancook_ for more updates. And if you like the recipe, do give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell button. Thank you for watching guys. Your love and support means a lot. Bye.